We have done extensive research and analyzed many customer reviews to bring you this best rated product in the market today. First, let's see the specs of the product.
This easy-to-use Dyna-Glo 30-inch analog electric smoker offers a convenient outdoor cooking experience for beginners and pros alike. It comes with 3 adjustable chrome-plated cooking grates for up to 505 square inches of cooking space. The temperature gauge features a smoke zone, which indicates the ideal heat range for infusing smoke flavor, while the temperature control dial makes it easy to fine-tune cooking temperatures. A side-access wood chip loader minimizes smoke and heat loss when adding wood chips during the cooking process. The 1500-watt burner provides plenty of power, while the double-wall firebox and door retain heat for cooking year-round. Get authentic smokehouse taste made simple with this analog electric smoker from Dyna-Glo.
Why we like this product. And these are rating for this product.